I'm so proud of you. You finally graduated at the age of 21.
Yes! Thanks, Mum. I love politics.
I love you more.
One.
I hate politics. But don't tell him that. Don't tell your dad that.
I can hear you. Four.
Son, I'm pretty sure you would do much better than David Seymour.
Oh.
I'm not inclined to answer that.
Well done, son.
Nine.
You're learning really, really fast.
That's why I've got a degree.
Thanks to your mother.
And Dad. Two.
Where is your dad?
Reveal the present. You've got a graduation present.
Your dad wanted me to give you this.
Ten.
I know! Your father has died, but my son has graduated.
What did he do to you? Five.
He was just really annoying.
Nancy.